switch sucks. Oh, hang on. God. Call 911.
Okay. Oh, God. Yeah. Wait. Oh!
Go.
You want me to call 242?
Yep.
Oh, I couldn't see. Oh, he's got it though.
Oh, damn.
There's
a cop.
And you have to have some leadership that says we're actually gonna try and solve this problem.
Is there anything on the table like that for California?
I don't know, man. I'm a Texas guy. There should be. I don't know. I could guess, but I'd be speaking.
Fields. Not so very long ago.